Alright guys, you see the video, and if you're having this issue with your washer, chances are it's going to be the wash plate or pulsator. So you're not supposed to rotate it like that. If you're able to do that, the problem is the splines inside the wash plate, they are totally stripped. Reason for that is overloading. When you overload your washer, it requires a lot of torque and the splines end up getting stripped. Now, the shaft is the main part that you want to be careful with as well. So right now we're moving the cover, the pulsator cover. You have three, you may say, points, and you want to make sure that you don't break. So as you go around slowly, there are three of them, just slowly lift, and then once you have it fully pushed up, you're able to just pull it off. Now after this, we're going to remove the wash plate or pulsator. It's a 10mm bolt, and you can just remove it. Once you do, just pull it straight up, and hopefully your washer is not, dirty, so to say. If it is, then now's the time to actually get some cleaning underneath. And this is a very simple repair. All you do is order your wash plate, pulsator. I will leave a link. And you just pop it on. Put a little bit of Loctite. I was showing the customer how it was pre-stripped. And just put a little blue Loctite on the bolt when you put it back on. And that's it. Now you want to pay attention, make sure the shaft is good, the transmission shaft or the gear case. And that's pretty much it. Once you get your new, you just put it back on.